Good morning, children. I hope you are all good in your health. So, today we are going to study Brain Booster 3.8. Now, subtract the following numbers. So, 2984 minus 1535. So, here 4 is smaller. Now, whenever we are subtracting or adding, we have to come from ones place. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, so we will start subtracting from ones place. 4 minus 5. Here 4 is smaller than 5. So we are borrowing one number. So we will go to tens place. From 8 we are getting one number. So it will become 7. It will become 7 here in tens place, and here it will become 14. Again from 5 we are going to count till 14. So after 5 it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so how many numbers or digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Now 7 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have to write in the answer. Now 5 minus 4. Sorry, 5. 9 minus 5. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 4 digits. So answer as 4. Now 2 minus 1 is after 1 it is 2. So 1. Here also 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. No borrowing here in the second sum. Now, this is also no borrowing. So, D is for homework, children, and E is also homework, F for homework. Now, we will see G. Now, here we have 1 in ones place. 1 minus 6. Can we take out? No, we cannot take out. So, we will go for tens place, and from 2 we are getting one number. So, it will be 1 here. Okay. When we are taking one number from 2, this will become 11, and here it will be 1. Now, 11 minus 6. So, after 6, we will count till 11. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. 5 in the answer. Now we have 1. From 1 can we take out 3? No. So again borrow. From 8 we are taking one number here. This will become 7. So 11 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 11 we have to count because it is 11. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 as answer. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now 7 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now H is for homework. Now the second question is find the difference again. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. Again from 2 we cannot take out 6. So borrow from 8. Now this will become 7 and here it will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Same here also. Now 0 minus 5. We cannot take from 0. We cannot remove 5. So borrow. When we want to borrow, here there is again no number. So we'll go for hundreds place. From here, from 6, we are taking one number. So this will become 10. Now again from here, we are getting one number to ones place. This will become 10 and this will become 9. So now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now 5 minus 9. We cannot take out 5 minus 9 or subtract 5 minus 9. So we are taking borrow again. So from here we are taking one number. This will become 1. So 15 minus 9. After 9 it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now children, see this sum also. Now 6, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2, 3, 9, 7, 6. Now here again 0 minus 6 is, we cannot do subtraction. So go for the tens place. It is also 0 here. Here also 0 and here also 0. So we'll go back here to get the number. Now 6 minus 1. We are giving one number to this. So this will become 5. Now again from here we are giving number. So this will become 9 and this will become 10. Again from here we are taking one number. This will become 9 and from here to here we are taking the number. So this also will become 9. Now here we have 10 number. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now the remaining sums are for homework. D, E, F. Now we are going to see the C bit. Now children, here find the difference of the following numbers. The question is given like this in a single line. So we need to arrange and subtract. So first, this is the bigger number, 72,400. Second number is 68,283. So from the first number we are subtracting the second number. So first arrangement of numbers is very, very important. Now down of first we will write one number. First number 72,400. And down of this we are writing the second number. We should arrange the number in such a way ones place should be down of ones place and tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 68,283. Now it is arranged. So we will start subtracting now. So from 0 we cannot take out 3. So borrow the number. So here also 0 as we have already seen. Now take from 4 and come to tens place. It will become 10. This will become 3. Now again from here we are taking one number. So this will become 10. Here is 9. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here again 2 minus 8 is not possible to subtract. So from 7 we are taking one number. This will become 6 and here it will become 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. So starting place 0 means no value, so we will not write. So it is 4117 is the answer. In the same way children, B and C also I have done. So 40,823, this is 10,612. So arrange the numbers and do the subtraction. Here also children, I have done first 3 sums and D and E for homework. Thank you.